Once again, we're staying in our more dimensioning.dwg file. We're going to have a little look now at using multi-leaders in our AutoCAD drawings. Now, multi-leaders are available on the Annotate tab on the ribbon, and you can see we've got a Leaders panel. And again, you can set up a style for these. So click on the little arrow here, and that will take you into the Multi-Leader Style Manager. Now, in this particular drawing, you've got a training multi-leader style already set up for you. It's right there like so. Make sure you set it as the current style and close the dialog box. Now, you'll notice we don't have a leaders layer override. So you need to go back to your Home tab and just make sure that you're using your A Anno Dim layer, which is up at the top of the list. A Anno Dims there. Utilize that for now. You could create a multi-leader layer if you wish and use that instead. Then I'm going to go back to the Annotate tab on the ribbon. Now, multi-leaders can have a particular style. They can have text, they can have bubbles, and there are some preset bubbles when you create your multi-leader styles, and we're going to use one of those. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to zoom in on this top right area where the offices are. And I'm just going to place a multi-leader that goes into this office here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some multi-leaders to it that point to these two offices here. So I go into the Leaders panel on the Annotate tab on the ribbon, and I click on Multi-Leader, making sure I'm using the Training Multi-Leader style. So multi-leader there like so. The leader arrowhead location will be in the middle of the office. I click there, and as I drag out, can you see it's dragging out a nice spline-based leader line? And I'm going to come out to here and click there like so. Now, because it's using a little block with a tag on it, it's asking for a tag number. So I'm going to put in there 3. That's room number 3. And I'm going to click on OK, like so. And as you can see there, there's room number 3, like that. Now, what I could do is add some more multi-leaders to say that these are room type 3, for example. They're different types of rooms. So you'll notice there I can use the Add tool. So I add a leader. It says Select a multi-leader, which is that one there. And I can now drag another one to here and click there like so. And then drag another one to here and click there like so. Enter to finish. And that's how you can utilize your multi-leaders in your AutoCAD drawings. Now, the other thing you can do is if you click on it and click on that grip there and just drag, can you see you can alter the position of the little tag bubble and also alter the multi-leaders at the same time. Now, I know they are starting to cross dimensions if I move up like that, but you can see that they alter even if I go to the other side like that, which is really rather clever. And multi-leaders like that are extremely useful. So I'll just hit Escape there so that I don't make any changes. And that's how you utilize multi-leaders in your AutoCAD drawings.